Welcome. Take some time to settle in however you are. You are welcome to remain seated or lay down and find your comfortable place. You are here at this moment just to be, just to feel the present moment. There is nothing out there that can interrupt your moment. There is nothing out there that can interrupt your peace. You are here and now, just at the present moment. Take a moment to concentrate at your breath. Take a moment to realize how your lungs expand when you breathe in. And how they feel happy when they release all the heaviness you are holding on you. It's time for this heaviness to go away. Deep breath in, deep breath out, holding each of them for 5 seconds. Deep breath in, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Deep breath out, in and out. Keep doing it. Keep releasing those thoughts. Give freedom to your mind. In and out. Hold it for 5 seconds. And you are now going very far from this room. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Your soul has gone to a beautiful greenish and peaceful forest. Breathe in and breathe out. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Again. Breathe in and out. At this forest, there is only you. You can now hear the noise of the birds, the trees moving slowly, left and right, following the wind blow, and it's just you, here and now. Enjoy the view, barefoot, feeling the Mother Earth. You feel the cold on your feet, you feel the wind in your face, and it's just you, here and now. And not far away, you can hear a waterfall. You start to walk in that direction. Keep walking. You follow the noise of the water. Keep walking. Keep walking with your bare foot on that cold earth. Deep breath in and deep breath out. You are now smelling the wet land. You love it. It's fresh. It's beautiful. It's nature. You are in love with nature. You have this feeling, the feeling that you belong, the feeling that you are at home. You are in peace. Deep breath in and deep breath out. You keep walking through the trees, touching them, feeling them. Your hands are now touching those trees. You can feel the many, many years they have been there. You feel it and you are grateful for it. You are just here. You and the Mother Earth. Just you and the Mother Earth. You are now in front of the waterfall. It's beautiful. You are speechless and you can only imagine yourself inside of that water. Slowly, you start by touching the water, a cold water. You start with your hands, and slowly you place some cold water on your face. Refresh yourself. Wash yourself from the heaviness. Wash it. Wash it from everything that you want to leave behind. Feel the Mother Earth. Thank her for what she is giving you. Deep breath in and deep breath out. You are slowly entering the water. It's not cold anymore. You are comfortable. You swim and you appreciate the surroundings. You are extremely grateful for being there. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Repeat. Feel it. Sense the Mother Earth. Sense the nature. Sense the love and the peace. And you decide to float on that beautiful blue water surrounded by green trees. By floating, you feel an extremely peaceful sensation. You are laying down and you can see the beautiful blue sky. The birds are flying around. Slowly. There is no need to rush. You are the luckiest person in the world. There are no worries anymore. There are no thoughts in your mind. There is only peace. A massive wave of peace. Breathe in. Breathe out. Feel and smell the nature. While you are floating, a yellow light comes into your direction. It's a beautiful yellow light. It comes into you, and you allow yourself to get in. You allow yourself to feel that light. It's the light of peace. It's the light of gratitude. And at this moment, here and now, you are inside of that light, and you can only see your loved ones. You are happy. You feel the love. You feel their warm hug. You feel them all. Your body is being pushed to stay on that light. Your body is being pushed to vibrate on that energy. The energy of love. The energy of peace. The energy of gratitude. And you are now forever grateful for what you have, for every single thing you have conquered in your life. You are grateful for all the people, for what you have reached, and for what the Mother Earth has given to you. And you are just here, just living the now. Just feeling it, just sensing, just being you. Deep breath in and deep breath out. Vibrate on that warm yellow color. Keep vibrating. Follow the light. Don't be afraid to raise your vibration to that level. Don't be afraid to feel the love, to feel the peace, to feel your people. And stay there a little longer. Stay there. Stay on that yellow color just a little longer. Allow yourself to feel it. Allow yourself to be you. Allow yourself to be in the present moment. And once again, allow yourself to feel. Feel it. It's now time to let the light go. It's now time to return. And you are just here and now, at the present moment. You are now in peace. You feel the love. The light is going away, and you still feel that warm sensation. You feel all the energy. You feel it all, especially on your heart chakra. You place your hand on your heart chakra and you feel it. Allow yourself to feel it. Be grateful for it. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Once again, deep breath in and deep breath out, and holding for 5 seconds between each one of them. You are now here at Just Be. You are now once again present in this room. You feel more light. You feel more in peace. And you feel more grateful. Just here and now, at this present moment. And slowly you are returning to your moment here. You are returning to this room. Deep breath in and deep breath out. You are so in peace that you are now able to go and carry on your life, vibrating on those 2 pillars of love and peace. Share that energy. Vibrate on that energy. Bring that energy to your daily basis. Bring that energy for your loved ones. Bring that energy for your friends, for your co-workers, for everyone that crosses your path. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Keep valuing the present moment. And be grateful for what a beautiful opportunity you have in this life to share love and peace with everyone that crosses your path. Deep breath in, deep breath out. Slowly moving your hands, your fingers, slowly moving your foot, slowly shake your shoulders, turn your head left and right. You are once again here at Just Be. Slowly start opening your eyes, very slowly. You are once again here. You are once again at Just Be. You can now remain seated or lay down, just to make sure your body is once again in this reality and in this dimension. Thank you all. Namaste.